Welcome to the CNSI Monitoring Academy and thanks for watching this video. My name is Hannah Devlin and I'm the Level 2 Monitoring Manager. Hopefully after watching this video today you'll be able to create up-to-date reports on software compatibility. You should be able to read and understand all aspects of the report as well as being able to regenerate the same report which will be dynamically updated. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the software compatibility homepage. The link is provided in the box below. This used to be called Clarity for those of you who've ever checked these reports out before. So first thing to do, click the Create Report box as I'm doing on screen. This is going to load a screen for you called Operating Systems for a specific report. What you need to do here, you need to type in the product you're using as this does cover all IBM products. I'm going to be creating a report for monitoring today, so I'm going to type into the box monitoring. What this will do is find any product with the word monitoring included. You can see here the range of choices from smart cloud monitoring right through to monitoring for databases. I'm selecting Tivoli monitoring so we can look at core monitoring components. In this section, what we're going to fill in here is version. Now in this section you can either pick GA or FixPack version. For this example I'm going to pick ITM latest version including FixPack. So I've clicked Show FixPack. Here you can see base GA and FixPacks for ITM 6.3. I am going to choose 6.3 FixPacks 2 as this is the latest current version. Under the filter section you need to drop down the operating systems platforms. This is where you're going to select what operating systems you want to validate ITM components against. So I don't want to see all of these. I am specifically looking for AIX and Windows. Next section is product components. These show all core monitoring components you can pull the report against. I don't need all of them, so I'm only selecting the server components. So I'm going to untick all components and select server components. This will give the server components I need, including IBM Infrastructure Management Dashboard, the TEMS and DEPs. Once you've done this, your report criteria is complete. So you can click submit and the report will be generated. The report is going to open in a separate window, so you do need to be aware of any pop-up blockers that prevent the report from opening. When the report appears, first thing you need to do is check top left where it says available reports, and you need to make sure here it shows the level that you've previously selected. You can drop that down and change it to different maintenance levels at any time. This is really useful if you want to see compatibility changes between releases. Next part to look at, it's the legend. This makes reading the reports really quick and easy. You have 3 full levels of support: full, partial and none. So as you've guessed, a full circle means fully supported for the components you had selected. Partial, this means some of the components are supported on the release you selected, and none, no surprise, means none of the components have been supported for the release you selected. So let's go look at the utilities at the top. This is a really handy section for when you want to return or share this report. You can regenerate it at any time. This will generate a static link for you so you can run the report again and again without having to reselect your criteria. It is worth noting that these reports are kept current by IBM Product Management, so anytime you regenerate this report, you're going to have the most current info. Next two options, print if you want to print a hard copy off, or you can PDF it if you want to download this and share it with your teams. Looking at the specific operating systems below, the first one I selected was AIX. As you can see, there are 2 releases, 6.1 and 7.1. If you go to the components column, you can see that both of them have half circles, so they are partially supported components. If you hover your mouse over this section, you can see quite quickly the TEMS and TEPs are supported, but the Infrastructure Management Dashboard isn't. Again, if you take a look at 7.1, the same principles apply. You find out what's supported and what isn't. The next column is quite useful. It's the notes section. If there are any known tips or known issues for that particular combination of software and OS, it will be annotated here. So click on the view hyperlink and the info will be shown in a new window. In this particular instant, it is looking at the technology levels on AIX. As you can see, from technology level 6. Both TEMS and TEPS are supported, but only TEMS is supported pre-TL6. So right, if you close that window down, we'll go to the second part to take note of here. This is the footnotes. Again, really useful section. If there are any known issues, bugs, or generally tips you need for this specific release, it will always be added to the footnotes. So we can see here that there are specific APOs listed in a tech note. If you click the hyperlink, it will take you directly to the IBM official documentation site. So let's scroll down and we can see the same principles that we have been through before applied to the Windows section. So hover over the component sections for Windows 7 Enterprise. Again, you can see there is only support for IBM Infrastructure Dashboard. As with AIX, there's a footnote section with relevant information. So let's go back to the top and just remember, you can regenerate these reports at any time and they will give you the most up-to-date information on product compatibility. So thanks for watching this video at the CNSI Monitoring Academy. If you have any questions or feedback, please use the comments box below, and if you like the video, be sure to click on the thumbs up. I've provided several helpful links so you can find out more about content and connect with us. And be sure to check out some of our blogs at IBM DevWorks. Thanks for watching.